everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to change up my wallpaper in my laptop. And it's been here for almost like 4 5 months and I really want to change it. So I plan to go on Canva and look up some templates over there, and if I don't like any of them, I'll make one from scratch, taking inspiration from any of them. And this is my current wallpaper. Okay, now let's get started. So I've opened Canva and opened all the wallpaper size, the perfect size for it. And here you can see some templates. I really want to use these. I'll show you. Organizer desktop wallpapers. I'll show you some examples. It look like this. As you can see, there's section for work, personal, projects, and all of that. You can add calendars to it and all of that, customize it a little bit, and I want to do something like that. So let me scroll through these and see if I like any of them. By the way guys, I'm going for a blue kind of theme, just like my old wallpaper. I really like this. Let me see if there is any other one I really like. Okay, maybe I'll stick with this and just change up the text and maybe add a calendar or something like that. We'll see. I think I'll remove the things to do. And now let me search up a calendar. So guys, I ended up getting the calendar for the whole year. It is blue, and now I'm gonna change some of these texts to match what I want. So now let's try. Okay, so I made it look like this, and let me see if I can add some of my touch. Okay, so this is the final product, and I added a bit of washi tapes over here, and I forgot to add one in the calendar, or maybe not. I think I do not need that. And now let me download it and upload it as my wallpaper. So guys, this is the final look. I love how it turned out, and I divide a lot of my apps to school, fun, and others. I have a lot of others. I really don't use those, but I do use the other three. So yeah, and I have a very useful calendar here, even though I have a calendar below that, you know, the computer thingy taskbar. Yeah, I think so. Anyways, yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.